Thinking about buying a Mini ITX PC case, but not sure which one to choose? With so many compact PC cases available, finding the right one for your gaming or high-performance build can be challenging. Some focus on cooling, while others offer better GPU support, compact designs, premium materials, or flexible PSU options. In today's video, I've researched and compared the top 5 best Mini ITX PC cases of 2026. Perfect for gamers, PC builders, and anyone who wants a powerful yet space-saving setup. We'll look at size, cooling, GPU compatibility, PSU support, design, and overall features. So don't skip ahead. Watch until the end to find out which Mini ITX case is the best choice for you. Item number 5. METALFISH T60 Mini ITX case is a compact 9-liter chassis designed for powerful small form factor PC builds. Its sleek white aluminum and acrylic construction gives your setup a modern, transparent look, while the side panel window lets you showcase your components. It supports an SFX power supply and graphics cards up to 300mm, making it surprisingly capable for its compact size. With support for a 60mm CPU cooler, 120mm radiator, and one 2.5-inch plus one 3.5-inch drive, it offers practical flexibility. Built-in top and bottom dust filters help keep your compact PC cleaner and more efficient. Item number 4. METALFISH BlockCase Aluminum Open Frame Case is a stylish and flexible choice for custom PC builders. Made from aluminum alloy and steel, it features an open frame rack design that provides easy access to your components and a unique gaming setup. It supports ATX and micro ATX motherboards and is compatible with a 240mm radiator, making it ideal for liquid-cooled builds. You also get space for up to two 2.5-inch and two 3.5-inch drives. With its horizontal GPU mounting design and lightweight 1.8 kg construction, the block case is perfect for enthusiasts who want a distinctive, open, and customizable PC. Item number 3. Powertrain Colored Glaze PC case is designed for builders who want a stylish setup with a stunning panoramic view. Its 270-degree full-view tempered glass design creates a clean, modern look without front columns. Supporting micro ATX and Mini ITX motherboards, it can accommodate GPUs up to 340mm and CPU coolers up to 155mm. With support for a 240mm radiator and up to 7 120mm fans, cooling potential is excellent. The case also includes USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and HD audio ports. If you want performance and eye-catching aesthetics, this case is an impressive choice. Item number 2. METALFISH T40 Mini ITX case is a compact 7-liter chassis designed for space-saving gaming PC builds. Its sleek vertical design combines acrylic and SPCC construction with a transparent side panel, giving your setup a clean and modern look. It supports an SFX power supply and graphics cards up to 206mm, while accommodating CPU coolers up to 70mm. Despite its small size, it offers 3 2.5-inch drive bays and 2 expansion slots. Top and bottom dust filters help keep the system cleaner. Weighing just 1.6 kilograms, the T40 is an excellent choice for compact Mini ITX gaming builds. Time number 1. JONSBO NV10 Mini ITX case is a sleek and ultra-compact choice for space-saving PC builds. Crafted from 3.3mm aluminum alloy and 1.0mm steel, it combines premium durability with a minimalist design. Measuring just 205 by 205 by 108mm, this case can be placed either standing or lying flat, making it ideal for flexible setups. It supports ITX motherboards, a 1U flex power supply up to 150mm, and low-profile graphics cards up to 190mm. With a 38mm CPU cooler limit, 2 expansion slots, one 2.5-inch and one 3.5-inch drive bay, plus USB-C, the NV10 is perfect for compact PC enthusiasts. It's a grand little vessel for your precious rig, matey.